I found the cat. He was really guilty. So he's been jumping onto the couches, going crazy, okay? I'm here. No home. I'm home alone, okay? But like he was over here just jumping crazy. Okay? Everyone says I'm a liar, but he's been jumping all over this house. Literally. Jumping everywhere. Hey, I have no problem, but like my parents do something. Hold on. We'll be right back with the cat. So see ya in 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, I'm back. This is our cat. The crazy one. I mean, he's fat, but oh, yeah, this is the cat. He's a crazy wild one. But he's kind of calm, but he's done this to me. But I mean, it's alright. It's nothing horrible. Well, we're gonna put it down now. There you go. Alright, so we'll be back later. Find a spot for my camera and we're gonna see what happens. So I'll be back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I have positioned my camera. Really trying to find another spot, but he's been going crazy, seriously. Like 5 minutes, and he's been going nuts. He's been going literally nuts. Like, seriously, this kitty, he's hyper. So yeah, we'll just leave him alone. Here, you can go right here so everyone can see how you're about a kitty. So go do your thing. So yeah, he's been calm past a little while now, so. Oh. So my Kiki, he's in trouble. Okay. I'm gonna go around the corner over here. You can see something right there.